Greetings, survivors, and welcome back to another video. Now, I've done multiple videos on my survival kits, in various versions of updates, but I have had one part of it that I haven't really shown. Well, not entirely, at least. Any one of you that have seen most of my survival kit videos, with the exception of my pocket survival kit, my EDC survival kit, my Altoid survival kit, my minimal survival kit, know I generally have a couple smaller kits on the inside of my kits designated to various things. I got a hygiene kit, a mess kit, which is a more recent addition, but this is something that's been around since the beginning and has recently been upgraded to quite the superior placement. My fire kit. And before you ask, no, it's not yogurt. I just use a yogurt container because, well, frankly, it was all I had available. It's waterproof, has a good lid that won't fall off, and it's durable enough to where it's not going to be broken without easily when inside the kit. Because in all fairness, once I get this out, once I'm actually going to be using this, it's most likely that I'm setting up camp. Or doing something that I would be doing when I'm not in immediate danger. Or maybe I'm just burning down enemy bases, in which case, that is a possibility, but less likely. Now, with that in mind, why don't we get to what the contents of the kit. Now, I have it divided into 3 different categories. Procurement of the 3 categories are procurement of the fire starters, the actual fire starters I keep inside of it, and the things to actually start the fire. Now, let's get this started. Okay, so for procurement of fire starting material, we have a pencil sharpener. Now, it's not that good of a pencil sharpener, but it does have this part right here, which where it can contain the wood shavings that you make. It's basically a lazy man's way of making feather sticks. And, it won't really work for very big sticks, but for smaller sticks that you collect, it'll work. Now, for the actual fire starters that I bring with me, in the kit, I have these 2 things. First off, a bunch of dryer lint. Now, why dryer lint? Well, it burns quite easily, and it's something that you can get quite cheap, and in all fairness, a lot of people get dryer lint anyway. I mean, it comes out of the dryer, which is a pretty common household item. And it's not like it serves any other purpose. Then we got a fire cube. Now, I got this at Walmart for 90 cents, and this is something that, once ignited, will burn alone for quite a while. Of course, usually you get it into smaller pieces and use that, but so far, it's decent, and I don't really have any problems with it, other than, well, sometimes I forget what it is when it's in the kit, but, now I know, remember what it is. Then, for actual fire starting tools, we have quite a bit more. First off, just a normal Bic lighter. It's just a lighter, nothing special. Then we have, actually I'm going to change the camera angle real quick. That's getting annoying to hold. Then we got matches. Now we got 2 things that strike on the box matches. That was not meant to happen. 2 things that strike on the box matches, and a waterproof container of stormproof matches. Now I have tested these things, and they are quite amazing. First off, when I lit one and tried blowing it out, it didn't go out. Then I tried dipping it in water and striking it, lit no problem. Then I tried submerging the lit match fire first into water. The water just bubbled until I pulled it out, and then boom, it relit, no problem. These things are awesome, and it has a striker on the container, 2 spare strikers on the inside, in waterproof in a plastic seal. Ultimately, these things are awesome, very reliable, and once you're out of the matches, you can use the container for something else. It is waterproof. And for our final fire starting item, we have a magnesium fire steel. Now, the striker sucks, so I prefer just using the back of so I prefer just using my knife. But yeah, it is not that bad. Now the magnesium itself burns at about almost 5,500 degrees. So cut off some of the shavings. Get a single spark to ignite the stuff, and it'll get hot enough to dry any wet kindling you got. To the point of where it'll start a fire no problem. Of course, it takes a bit of practice to use effectively, but this is probably the most reliable long-term thing I've got. Fire item I've got. Except maybe the pencil sharpener. But, that doesn't actually start a fire. Now, with that in mind, there's only one thing I can really show you left in the video, and that's how this all fits in the kit. That was not supposed to happen. Alright. Now, can't really do anything about the lighting. Okay. Got the container. Now, first, I'm gonna put in the fire cube. Then, the matches. The fire steel. The other matches. Pencil sharpener. And the lighter. And then, gonna finish it off with the dryer lint. And there you go. Sorry, the lighting sucks. And when I put this on, it creates a watertight seal. That will protect everything, keep it dry, and perfectly great for making a fire. Now, of course, you could easily make a better one. I mean, heck, the container alone sucks. That magnesium fire bar is, well, kind of halfable. The lighter, it's pretty cheap. The dryer lint, you can definitely get better than that. The strike on the box matches, well, everyone knows those suck. But the stormproof matches are actually awesome, so not really sure you can do better than those. But for now, that's all. Now comment down below what you think I could do better for my fire kit. If you like this video and want to see more, think more like it, click the like button. If you want to be notified whenever I post another video on my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever I post again. If there's any specific content you want to see, comment down below. I was thinking about starting a series where starting a series on my channel where I just tell jokes. And if you would like to help my channel out with getting more popular, share this video with some people you know, maybe some people you don't know. I don't care. Get the word out about my channel, and hopefully I might just be able to get more views. And ultimately, the more views I get, the more likely I am to show up on the YouTube's recommendation page, therefore being able to get more views, and then it's an endless cycle. And I realize now I am rambling. Thank you all for watching. This is Randoman, signing off.